Today, Brad and Maudie and I met up again in the Metropark in southern Michigan after our adventure of a couple of weeks ago, finding that whole village of structures. We decided this time to strike out eastward from there to see what else we could find. When we walked for a couple of hours through the snowy woods, seeing high brakes and tripods and occasional leans and tree stuffs. And at one point we came on this little structure built at the end of a log, clearly standing out as completely different in the forest from everything around it and looking like typical sasquatch structure with vertical laying in of sticks. And then we noticed that down inside, the end of the log was hollow, and it looks like chipmunks or squirrels have been living down in there. There were nuts, and so for whatever reason they built this little hut over that end of the log. And then finally, toward the end of our journey for the day, we were working our way back out of the forest, and we got to an area where there were two structures similar to picket fences with horizontal beams and then lots of sticks laid picket fence style up against them. The strange thing about this was that they were right near a shelter house, within range to be able to view it, perhaps from behind those pickets. And we thought this was strange because after wandering for a couple of hours and not finding very much in the wider forest, we found that when we got back to where people would have been congregating, we find these structures, which mirrors our finds from the previous week when we found the structures of the village right near walking paths, right near where people would be. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you out in the woods soon.